Have you ever wondered what APIs are and how they work? I'll give you 3 interesting trivia about APIs for you to become fascinated about it. Number 1. Researchers use the Twitter API to study a wide range of topics, including politics, public health, and natural disasters. Number 2. The Google Maps API is used by millions of developers worldwide to create location-based applications. And number 3. The Programmable Web API directory lists over 22,000 APIs across a wide range of categories, including social media, e-commerce, and government. Are you wondering why my voice sounds more like this than my usual voice? And that's because of API. Because API can also convert written text into natural-sounding speech. See how fascinating his APIs are.
But first, let me introduce myself. I am Adriana Fernandez from DCPET Industry. To further expand our knowledge about API, I will give you more information about it. According to IBM, an API or Application Programming Interface is a set of defined rules that enable different applications to communicate with each other. It acts as an intermediary layer that processes data transfers between systems, letting companies open their application data and functionality to external third-party developers, business partners, and internal departments within their companies. The definition and protocols within an API help businesses connect the many different applications they use in day-to-day operations, which saves employees time and break down silos that hinder collaboration and innovation. For developers, API documentation provides the interface for communication between applications, simplifying application integration. How this both API works? We have these 2 APIs to explore on how it works. The first one is the speech-to-text from Speech Notes, and the second one is the text-to-speech from TTS Reader. First, let me introduce you the Speech Notes as speech-to-text API. Today, I am using speech notes to convert what I dictate into text in real time. Period. Speech Notes Workplace also offers 8 features. It helps users manage our workspace by creating and viewing sessions, send or transfer work, and adjust the text size. And this is how API speech-to-text works. It allows us to dictate and edit our text results in real time. Also, using its features, we can also save, send, or transfer our work. Next is the TTS Reader for Text-to-Speech API.
Good day, I am using TTS Reader to change units of text into units of speech for audio presentation in a natural language modeling process.
It also has features to open our file to set what we want to convert into speech.
The Text-to-Speech API enables developers to generate human-like speech. The API converts text. The Text-to-Speech API enables developers to generate human-like speech. The API converts text into audio formats such as WAV, MP3, or OGG Opus. It also supports speech synthesis markup language, SSML, inputs to specify pauses, numbers, date and time formatting, and other pronunciation instructions.
And more other features for us to manipulate our work and our workplace itself. And that's how API text-to-speech works. It is the opposite of speech-to-text. And now let's tackle about how do these 2 API be able to help me in my workplace or in school. As a computer engineering technology student, These two API are able to help me in workplace or school in various ways. These are the following on how speech-to-text help me. First, transcription of lectures. To transcribe my online or recorded lectures and convert them into text format as a notes. Because this is very helpful for me, especially when I don't keep up with the online classes and also to save time watching the recorded video lesson. Second, automated transcription of video activities. Speech-to-text APIs can be also used to automatically transcribe interviews, which can save time and effort compared to manual transcription. Just like creating video activities, it is preferable if there is a subtitle to better comprehend what is being said. And lastly, increase productivity. Speech-to-text able to help me to dictate my ideas directly into my device. To take down notes, my ideas in real time to prevent forgetting them. Now, these are the following on how text-to-speech help me. First, accessibility. Text-to-speech APIs are very helpful to me because as a student who loses interest in reviewing or reading when there is a lot to read and no visual interpretations, I prefer to listen to it rather than reading it. In this way, I was able to concentrate on what I was doing. It just discussed the lesson I want to review or read to save time. Second, animated voice. Text-to-speech is also helpful to me in terms of creating animation. Just like what I did in my animation. I use text-to-speech for the voiceover of my different characters. Lastly, finding words. There are certain words that we know how to say but not to spell. Text-to-speech API can also assist me to locate terms I couldn't spell. Now, let's talk about what I think is the business value of these two API. In business, the value of these two API is just like how these two API helps me in my workplace. Number 1, transcription of meetings. Businesses can rely on these APIs for more accurate transcriptions of their meetings. Number 2, productivity. Converting written content into speech can save employees time that would otherwise be spent reading and interpreting information. It can increase productivity and allowing employers to focus on more critical tasks. Number 3, improve accessibility. It can help businesses make their products and services more accessible to people with disabilities. For example, the use of text-to-speech. It can be used to provide audio description of images or videos for visually impaired users. And the use of speech-to-text can be used to provide visual guides to a person with hearing impaired. Number 4, enhance customer experience. It can be used to create more engaging and interactive customer experience. For example, in Talk-to-Speech API, it can be used to provide personalized voice responses to customers, while in Speech-to-Text can be used to transcribe the customer's feedback in real time. Number 5, increase efficiency. It can assist businesses in automating tasks such as call center operations and transcribing services. This can result in improved efficiency and cost saving. And lastly, the number 6, 24/7 availability. Interactive voice response are also known as IVR systems with well-crafted speech-to-text capabilities enable customers to self-serve outside of business hours and make businesses available at all times.
That's all on how speech-to-text and text-to-speech APIs work, and how it benefits me as a student, as well as its business value. Thank you for watching.